So there are tools like Six Sense and HubSpot and everything else that's helping us figure this out. But then you have Gen AI, which is adding that content and the hyper personalization to it. So you can do it by industry, by persona, by company size. However, you see that audience segmentation, you can use the AI to really get personalized information, but that's going to make the experience on the other end much better. And they're going to lean in and be much more engaged because you're engaging and meeting them where they're at at scale. I think that is where we're going to see a lot of really great impact. And we're seeing that impact. So even with Amazon, their AI personalized shopping experience, right? They're able to take that data because they have so much volume on customer behavior. They're able to take that and have the AI learn. And now it's optimizing. Here's what you need to do to get everyone to buy with one click. This
Mm,
do these things, and people are more likely to click and buy right now. It's a little dangerous, right? But that's what I'm talking about, right? Like it's basing it not only on what content's working, but on the behavior it's seeing.
right. Well, and you can draw on these engines to fill in very big and cumbersome gaps because, I'll throw this over to you, Tom. You can use it as sort of as to make recommendations, for example, but you can also, let's say in a customer service example, someone calls in. And I noticed this years ago. USAA was one of the first companies to really figure this out, and I was so impressed. This is like in, I don't know, the early 2000s, I want to say, where I would call and they would say, "Oh, we recognize your phone number." So, they knew it was me. And that means in a well-defined system and information architecture that'll trigger a query to my record to bring up what I've done lately. And it can have a recency bias. So, oh, well, he was on the website earlier and he called in earlier this morning. Okay, something's going on here. You can trigger actions. And then thanks to the power of Gen AI, you can actually suggest to the person in your call center in real time what's happening, suggest this, ask that. And then the beautiful thing is, in that case, it is just a co pilot. You are still the pilot, the human, you're the pilot. It's the co pilot giving you useful information in real time. That is a magic formula for customer experience, right, Tom?